Lights, camera, income. Your YouTube journey starts now. Starting a YouTube channel is easier than you think. You can start earning money right away. It's an exciting opportunity to share your passion with the world and get paid for it. Many people think you need tons of subscribers to make money. Not true. With the right approach, you can start seeing those dollar signs from day one. This essay will show you how. Get ready to become a YouTube entrepreneur. Creating great content is key, but you also need to understand how to monetize your channel. We'll explore different methods to turn your passion into profit. Let's get started. Finding your niche, where passion meets profit. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your YouTube success. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Find the sweet spot where your interests align with a profitable market. Think about topics people are searching for. Gaming, cooking, travel, and personal finance are popular choices. But don't be afraid to explore unique niches. The more specific, the better. Remember, authenticity is key. Your passion will shine through your videos. This will attract a loyal audience eager to learn from you. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your niche, and let's move on to monetization. Affiliate marketing, your fast track to YouTube earnings. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to monetize your channel quickly. How does it work? You recommend products or services you love to your viewers. When they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key is to partner with brands that align with your niche and values. Be genuine in your recommendations. Your viewers will appreciate it and be more likely to make a purchase. Promote affiliate products naturally within your videos. You can also include links in your video descriptions. Affiliate marketing is a win-win. You provide value to your audience and earn money at the same time. Section 4. Digital products, building your own brand of awesome. Want to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? Create and sell your own digital products. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to templates and presets. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold infinitely. You create them once, and they can generate passive income for months or even years to come. Think about the knowledge and skills you can share with your audience. Package them into valuable digital products, promote them on your channel, and watch your income grow. Section 5. Sharing is caring. Spreading the word about your channel. Creating great content is just the first step. You need to get your channel in front of as many eyes as possible. This is where promotion comes in. Leverage the power of social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Engage with your followers and build a community around your channel. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Cross-promote each other's channels. Attend industry events and network with fellow YouTubers. The more you promote, the faster your channel will grow. Remember, starting a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient, consistent, and never stop learning. Now go out there, create awesome content, and start earning from day one.